Kakalabas lang namin ng...
Call Me Mother.
Yes. And this is again our non-spoiler Cinegeeks Walk and Talk. I'm Roy.
And Angela.
And kung hindi nyo man makita sa mga mata namin, medyo mugto ang aming mga mata after watching Call Me Mother. So that's Vice Ganda and Nadine Lustre in a June Robles Lana joint again. So yeah, no spoilers dito sa aming walk and talk. Ange, go first. What did you think of Call Me Mother?
Ako, since this is the second collaboration of Vice Ganda and Direct June Lana, I think this is the better film that they made together in comparison to And the Breadwinner is. I think the drama and comedy here is much more balanced. Mas tama yung tone. Hindi ako nawi-whiplash na too much punchlines. Hindi rin naman sobrang haba na overextended emotional scenes na tipong sobrang emotionally exhausted
Yung
na
grabing
ako.
pagod ka na.
Ito talagang sakto lang. I think mas polished to, mas pulido. Especially the screenplay, the script was very, very giving. Sobrang ganda niya and profound. And it didn't really, go overboard when it comes to the jokes. Kasi yun yung naging problem ko sa And the Breadwinner is masyadong punchline na non-sequitur, hindi na masyadong nagsiserve sa story. Pero this time, yung mga jokes serves the story more. And mas cohesive siya talaga, mas solid to.
Yes. I definitely agree. Lahat ng sinabi ni Ange is correct. Lahat, the jokes aren't as tama ka doon. Parang wala siyang tonal whiplash. Everything is in service of the drama and the conflict in the story.
And the character.
Oo, hindi siya biglang titigil para magpatawa. Hindi. Ako naman, ang pinaka talagang nagustuhan ko dito, Vice, effing ganda. God, alam mo yung who, so lahat ng mga ginagawa niya, puro mga, sabihin na natin, yung mga MMFF schlock of years past, way past, na parang who knew na he had it in him to put out, to churn out fantastic performances like this dito. There, yung damdam mo yung conflict of a person trying to deal with yung changes in their life and try to parang embody what it means to really be a mother. There is a sequence here talaga na parang ako masasabi ko, Oscar reel ni Vice Ganda talaga.
Vice, at saka mas siya, mas grounded yung acting niya dito. He's not really serving, references after references na hindi na related dun sa kwento.
Hindi.
Para sa akin, mas deserving siya manalo as best actor here.
Yes.
And I hope he wins.
Yes. So we're recording this actually on the night of yung Gabi ng Parangal. So hindi namin alam kung nanalo siya. Pero
Hopefully.
I mean, yeah. Ako sa akin, pwede sana si Piolo pero mas okay dito. Mas okay si Vice.
In comparison to the Breadwinner na nomination niya, mas dito siya deserving.
Well, oo, talaga mas ito talaga. Yeah. So, yes, if hindi nyo pa nagigets, this is a hearty recommendation from us.
Yes.
A thumbs up from me and a thumbs up from Ange.
Hindi lang
talaga.
siya kahit maganda talaga yung
Oo,
movie,
maganda
guys.
talaga siya.
At then daming taong nanood kasabay natin.
Grabe.
Halos puno yung sinehan.
Punong-puno yung sinihan. So, and Call Me Mother is now showing as part of MMFF 51.
Yes.
Don't miss it, talaga. If not for Vice, fantastic performance for the ages.
Yeah.
Talaga, ibang klase. And dahil love ko Hong Kong Disneyland. Yay! Ay nako. So,
Ang galing ng bata.
ang galing,
By the way,
yan pala.
galing din ng
Bata. The kid is fantastic.
Yeah.
As well.
I wish I've seen more depth dun sa character ni Nadine, but with what she got, okay naman yung acting ni Nadine.
Yeah, I more pa for Nadine. More.
Sa writing siguro ng character niya
Yes,
yun.
siguro more pa. Pero yeah, I guess
Ang ganda niya, yun lang masasabi ko, ang ganda ni Nadine. Talagang pwede siyang mang beauty queen.
That's true. So, ayun na, sige na, medyo mahaba na ang ating walk and talk. So, yeah, again, watch Call Me Mother. Wherever you find it in cinemas.
They really mothered hard.
They did. So, for this walk and talk, I'm Roy.
And Angela.
And we'll see you in the next one.